Hello everyone, I'm back with my new invention, two-cylinder permanent magnet motor. Let's go build it with my 3D printer. Imagine, welcome to Energy Graphy. So go to test it. I'm really excited about it. I hope to work or has a positive point of the previous idea. Well, let's adjust the timing belt first. Just with previous experience, my experience, this is a good adjustment for the timing belt. And the rotational magnet are adjusted with a slight difference. So that second number 2, second rotational magnet can escape the locking area, maybe. Okay, all right. Let's go test it. 1, 2, so I fix it. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. More than 360 degrees rotation. 1, 2, 3. This is wonderful. I think a full 360 degrees rotational is a tremendous achievement. Another test. This rotation not for flywheel, just I press this just easy. 1, 2, 3. It is true that it could not rotation continuously, but this 360 degrees rotation brought us really close to our goal. So this is like a start, a handy start manual. Another try. This is just skip and rotate 360 degrees, full 360 degrees. This is good. I conclude that if it is a 3-cylinder, it can rotate continuously, or 4-cylinder and maybe more. I will continue with you to achieve continuous engine rotation. I try to make a final model and maybe hybrid, maybe 4-cylinder, maybe 9-cylinder in radial engine. Just in the next video, I want to make a new flywheel for just this, maybe a single cylinder or 2-cylinder, and to just a new flywheel, maybe hybrid to gravity. In the next video, show you just my idea, my experience. Just one thing. Sometimes some people tell me you waste your time for this research. I think this is a good answer for these people. One day, a younger reporter asked Edison, Thomas Edison, Mr. Edison, I heard you tried hard to invent a light bulb, but you did not succeed. Why do you still work after 999 defeats? Edison replies calmly. I'm sorry, sir. I will not fail 999 times. But I'm learned 999 ways that doesn't work for make a light bulb. Good luck. So, finally, jump into the comment, let me know if you like this video. Be sure to check out one of the ones, I will link it right here. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification. As always, I'd like to thank all of you for watching. I will see you in the next one.